Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure Node.js and npm are installed, then open your project in VS Code and run npm init to create package. JSON. Once done, install the Firebase CLI globally with npm install gfirebase tools and authenticate using Firebase login. This links your terminal to your account. Next, create or choose a Firebase project in the console so you can initialize locally. These steps prepare your environment to run Firebase commands from VS. Now you will initialize Firebase in the project and configure services. In the VS Code terminal, run Firebase init, pick the features you need, and select the correct Firebase project. This writes Firebase, JSON, and Firebase. When asked for a public folder, choose the build or public directory and opt into single-page app rewrites if using a front-end framework. If you enabled functions, open the functions folder and run npm install. Then set up environment config with Firebase functions. Config, set as required to keep secret. Finish by building and deploying while verifying things locally first. If your app needs a build step, run npm run build, then deploy to Firebase with Firebase deploy. For safer testing, use Firebase emulators, Start or Firebase Serve to run hosting, functions, and databases locally and watch logs in the terminal. If deployment fails, make sure you are logged in, verify Node and npm versions, and inspect Firebase, JSON, and Firebase for misconfigured paths. Fixing those common issues gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.